Do you have a problem where you can't log into Roblox on your mobile device or have other problems and errors? In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the problem where you cannot log into your Roblox account on both iOS and Android devices. So without wasting your time, let's start right away. The first step that we have to do is to check our internet connection. You can open your web browser and then search for speed test. You can do this in Safari, Chrome, or whatever other web browser you use. We have to make sure that we are using a reliable internet connection that is stable and fast. If you don't have a good internet connection, then that can cause problems with Roblox, and it may be the reason why you can't log into the app. Everything above 5 megabytes should be fine, so if you have a slower internet, then I suggest finding a faster network, connect to it, and then try to log in. You may be required to switch from a Wi-Fi network to a cellular network, or vice versa. Sometimes your Wi-Fi can be slow and your cellular data is faster, so switch them on or off and see what works out better for you. Then the next solution is to disable your VPN connection if you have one set up. A VPN can be a great thing when you are playing games or browsing the internet, but sometimes it can be a problem when logging into your Roblox account. You want to open your settings, and then find your VPN connection settings. If you are an Android user, simply find it somewhere. But I'm an iPhone user, so the VPN connection is right here, and I'll just make sure that I'm not connected to a VPN and I don't have anything set up in here. After you do that, you want to go back and go to the general settings and select the background app refresh option. Make sure that the background app refresh option is enabled in your settings, then scroll down until you can find Roblox on this list of apps, and make sure that it is toggled on. We also have to make sure that we are not playing Roblox on another device. You want to open up Roblox, and then tap on the 3 dots in the bottom right corner and find the Roblox settings. Now go to the security settings from this list. When you open the security section, scroll all the way down and select this Log Out of All Other Sessions button. This will log us out of Roblox on all other devices where we are logged into. Whether it's a mobile device, a PC, or tabled, you will be logged out of Roblox everywhere. This will make sure that you can log into your mobile device if you were previously using your account on other devices. Now the next step is to make sure that our mobile software is up to date. If you are using an older iOS or Android version, then you want to go to your settings and update to the latest software version. If you don't have the latest version available, then skip this step, but if you do want to go over to your settings, then General, Software Update, and then wait until the phone checks if you have any software update available for your device. If you do, then simply download it and install it on your phone, because that will fix bugs and some other stuff that your phone may have. It can resolve some issues with the OS that may cause the problem with your Roblox app and preventing you from logging in. And lastly, some software bugs in the Roblox app can cause issues while logging into your account. You want to go to your general settings one more time and open the iPhone storage. You have to make sure that you have at least 1 or 2 gigabytes of free storage space left on your phone. Roblox can require some storage space while you use the app, especially while loading the experiences. So if you can, delete some apps or games that you have if you don't have the free storage space. And the last thing that we can do in order to solve our problem is to find the Roblox app on this list and open it. Then you want to click on this Offload App button. This will clear the cache and all unnecessary data that your app may have, and it can fix some bugs and other stuff. After offloading, simply click on Reinstall and wait a couple of minutes. You will then have a fresh and updated version of Roblox, and you can try to log in now. If any of these steps solved your problem, then leave a comment down below and I'll see you in the next video.